quick little update that I want everybody to see. Okay, so we know with Equifax, when you're trying to get these 24-hour inquiry removals, you have to do an FTC alpha date and you have to do an FTC report. Okay, with Experian, it's still at the moment FTC alpha date. With Transunion, they have a new update. So now you have to do the FTC alpha date, and you actually have to go to reportfraud.ftc.gov and do a identity theft document. Excuse me, y'all. Identity theft document under the Federal Trade Commission. So it was quite easy, but I wanted to show you exactly how I did it. All right. Well, let me refresh. I just had to do 12 of them. All right. You're going to go right here. Report now. Credit debt. Company charging fee to get loan or credit. This is for inquiry removal, guys. Continue. Don't worry about it. This is for inquiry removal, okay? No. I did website or app. Credit Karma is an app. That's where we found it. My dates was around like December, say December 16th. Put the date, the company name, Navy Fed. That's one of the ones I just did. I used the same one. Copy and paste. My information might have been impacted by the Equifax data breach and may have gotten into the wrong hands. We like to use that until otherwise stated. Put your personal information in right here. All that's your stuff. And when you mark this right here as none of these, it's going to go straight to submit. And when you submit it, you're going to get an email, and that's letting you know that you finished that process. All right. And so that's the update on that. This is along with the alpha date now. They're going to want this right here. When you contact them on the phone and ask them why haven't my items been reported as fraudulent, they're going to hit you back with this right here. So as they update, I'm always going to keep updating you guys, because I'm always trying to perfect my credit, and I'm always trying to get more funding or increasing my lines of credit. So I'm always going to be doing these things, and I'm just letting you know, as I learn, I teach. All right, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you for this update. Hope y'all having a good new year, 2022, baby. Let's take off.